unconvinced.
And we're going to make some. So I'm not going to make it, I'm just going to tell you what to do. So you have to get a bowl and a mixer, then you have to get some glue. The school glue that you can put in here. Then just mix it and put food colouring in. I put brown and mix it and put it and get some borax and some water. Then mix it again and put the borax in a separate bowl and put the borax in the glue. Then you just stir it.
This actually did happen much earlier than the reign of
Then it will
Ramesses.
turn into slime
To
like
see if that's
this.
the case, I would need to look more closely at the details of the biblical story concerning the next step of the sequence, the judgment of Egypt and the Israelites' deliverance from bondage.
Thank you for watching. Bye. See, I have these